up, guys? It's your girl Renee Barnett, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 3 different looks from one head wrap. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video.
Okay guys, so for this first look, I'm going to start by pulling my hair all the way back into a sleek, low bun, making sure all my hair is lying flat. And I start by placing the head wrap behind my head at the nape of my neck, and it should feel like the head wrap is cradling your head. And then just make sure that both ends of the head wrap are the same length. And tie the head wrap like you're tying basically a shoestring, but pull one end down towards the floor and the other end back away from you. Now go ahead and make sure it feels comfortable on your head. I like to keep my ears tucked under the head wrap. Just make sure that the fabric isn't pressing on your ears and that it feels comfortable. So make sure that the front of the head wrap is tucked under, because I'm going to be using the knot that we created and the front part of the fabric as an anchor. And then just twist the end of the head wrap all the way down to the bottom. Just make sure that your twist is nice and smooth. So then go ahead and wrap that end around the anchor and tuck the end under the twist. Just make sure that it's nice and secure. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side.
We're basically gonna twist it, wrap it, tuck it.
So now I'm just going to make sure that my edges are laid. Just use whatever your favorite edge control is. And for the finishing touches, let's take off these boring earrings and put on some fun, cute ones. This next style is super easy, guys. So start by placing the head wrap over your head and make sure that your placement is exactly where you want it. If you want some of your hair to show in the front, that's perfectly fine. You got to make these styles your own. Just make sure that it's snug and that your ears are tucked in, of course, if you prefer that. Then just tie it in the back as you would a shoestring, and then start twisting that first side all the way down to the end. Wrap it around the front of your head, and once you get all the way around the head, just tuck it under the fabric. Easy peasy. Just make sure that your twists are very nice and smooth so that it doesn't look bulky. Okay guys, that's our second look.
Yes, for the second look. I love it. So cute.
Okay, so for this style, this is our third style. I put my hair up in a loose bun to use as an anchor. So just go ahead and drape the fabric over your head as we did in the first style. And just make sure your ends are the same length. Now with this style, I'm going to be doing a 2-strand twist to the end of the head wrap. all the way down to the end. Then just wrap the 2-strand twist around your anchor and tuck the ends right underneath your twisted fabric. Now go ahead and make sure that those ends are again laid. To add a twist to this style, I'm just pulling up some of the fabric to give my head wrap a little bit of height and volume.
So these are 3 simple looks that you can do if you're having a bad hair day or if you just want to switch up your look.
Okay guys, I love this head wrap.
Let me know if you like this video by clicking the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye.